Timon's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello, hello.
And you're looking good. Looking good.
What are you? There he is, the mighty Pachyderm. Let me hear you trumpet triumphant.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Hey everyone, look, it's the Lion King! Welcome Simba, you're right on time!
Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go! Let every creature go for home and sing.
Let's sing.
Let's hear it in the herd and on the wing.
On the way.
It's gonna be King Simba's finest
Simba's finest queen!
Oh, I just can't wait.
Come on, everybody. All together now. 1, 2, 3.
Circle of life, till we find our place. Circle of life,
On the path of one day.
in the circle.
In the De nada. Ahorita los abrimos allá. No, estoy bien, gracias.
Y'all very wonderful, and I just realized I already said that. So my name's Marshall. It's wonderful to meet you all. I'm a local college student and a heck of an amateur biologist, if I do say so. Because it's to not being spotted. I guess they just assume we can't see it. They're known for their feedback. Now you might wonder, Marshall, well, you see, these marvelous creatures will remain not very pink at all up until they hit their mating season, in which their faces and backs will blush a kind of pinkish color. I am noticing that look on his back. if you see a slight pink tinge starting to come to his feathers, that means he must be nearing his mating season. And I guess that one's a bad thing, because they constantly work to ensure the well-being of their young. Those trees, despite their large several
Mira una cebra, bebé, majo.
on one hand, producing them some Hartman's Mountain zebra. These marbles range from 103 tons the size of a regular zebra, which allows them to travel far up the mountains without worrying about their We also have some wildebeest. Those big old gray and way off on the back here and on right, really all around us. We will see some incoming cattle. Because these 8 people that is really weird. But over I guess he's just showing off at this point. And there are some things which might have you a little bit confused. Wait a second, why do we call them white and black rhinos if they're both the same?